Hello friends, today we will discuss Foreign Direct Investment Policy of India for 2024. It is shaped by the government's goal to promote domestic manufacturing and attract foreign investment. The policy framework is updated annually and published as the Consolidated FDI Policy. The key features of FDI policy are: first, liberalized FDI regime. India has liberalized its FDI regime, allowing foreign investment in most sectors under the automatic route. Second, sector specific caps. Certain sectors, such as insurance and defense, have sector specific caps on foreign investment. Third, government approval route. Investment in sensitive sector require government approval. All sectors are not supposed to get FDI unless government approves them. Some sensitive areas or sectors require government approval. National security clearance. Investments from countries sharing a land border with India require national security clearance. Investment incentives. Make in India, the government's flagship program, aims to promote domestic manufacturing and attract foreign investment. Self-Reliant India. The program aims to promote self-reliance in key sectors including defense and technology. Digital India. The program aims to promote the growth of information and technology sector. So these are the India's government initiated programs where FDI are required under certain rules. Regulatory framework. Foreign Exchange Management Act, that is FEMA, regulates foreign investment and exchange transactions. Reserve Bank of India regulates foreign investment and exchange transactions. Then Competition Commission of India also regulates anti-competitive practices. Overall, India's FDI policy for 2024 aims to promote foreign investment, domestic manufacturing, and self-reliance in the key sectors.